2003 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab short box 4x4 Z71 package truck here. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Carfax indicates a one-owner vehicle and actual miles at 64,395 on the odometer at the moment. Also a southern vehicle. This has not seen northern winters, and it definitely shows. Let's take a look at this front bow tie grill, of course. Bright work up front. Black exterior, charcoal interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior engine bay, the truck from every angle, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. BF Goodrich radials, and plenty of tread and life left in those tires. Looks like a little newer model Chevrolet wheel. 5.3 liter Vortec V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and you can see down the passenger side of this vehicle, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You don't see the rust or corrosion coming out from behind those wheel wells. And that paint finish, it's like a mirror. Look at the reflection in it. Side window vent visors. Of course, the tinted glass. I wanted to show you that. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have on there, the darkness. Of course, the fender flares, and again, no corrosion, rust starting around those. The cab corners, the lower rockers, like you see on northern trucks lots of times. Bed liner has been installed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Trailering package, as you can also see on the rear of the truck. Technician did note the brakes, 70% up front, 50% in the rear. 373 rear end gear ratio, so 373. Exhaust is complete on this truck with catalytic converters. And once again, take a look at the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see how clean this truck is, and again, the interior engine bay. You'll see it all from every angle. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel no matter what year. We will get Chevy trucks, very early ones all the way up to later model. And when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles in the videos are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor, of course, as we take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see those panels nice and straight, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, and again, like a mirror, see the cars and the wall behind me. We'll start this up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, modern amenities with the power windows, power mirrors, power locks. See that door panel in nice shape. Rubber floor mats, no rips, tears, holes. Seating surface, got a 40-20-40 split bench seat. Push button on the go for all-wheel drive, two-wheel high, four-wheel low. Cruise control, steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Nice setup. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo system. Let's fire this up a second, show you the exact miles. So, should be popping up on there. 64,395, no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is all working. Stereo also working.
Takeuchi is a pioneer in the compact construction industry.
Dual climate control. And again, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Top of the dash, also looking good. There's one little wear spot I want to show you in the headliner. Majority of it looking good, but a little bit of wear right up above the driver's door. Door closes nicely, sounds as you'd expect. I have not noticed any modifications to the exhaust when you look at those underside picks. It does have a cold air intake on it. Let's go check out that engine bay and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're going to pause it a second though so I can get this hood popped open and we can take a peek underneath there. Alright, first off, underneath the hood, when I mentioned no northern winters, you can see there's no salt, debris, grime on that hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy as the rest of this engine bay is. And remember, Carfax indicates a one-owner vehicle. No accidents indicated. Actual miles, just a little over 64,000. There's that 5.3 liter Vortec. And there's what I was talking about, a little cold air intake's been added. Good looking engine bay, nice and tidy, nice and clean, well taken care of. Stick around a little longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 2003 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab short box 4x4 Z71 package. Good looking truck. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2003 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. Regular cab, automatic on the column, in black on black, or you might say smoke or charcoal on the interior. Really looking good. Low mile truck, less than 70,000 miles. Currently less than 65,000 miles. If you were looking for something like new from 2003, this is a good candidate. Seats looking good, dash looking good, everything feels tight and responsive. All our gauges are working good. The oil pressure 45 to 50 psi. The fuel gauge showing a quarter of a tank, the temperature 190, and the battery's charging over 14 volts. This is a four-wheel drive truck. Push button right here on the left. Of course, power windows. We have a Pioneer stereo in the dash. ZZ Top sounds good out of these speakers. Compass and temp in the mirror. We've got a little tint on the windows for your eye comfort and keeping the cabin cooler. Traffic from the semis today is slowing me down just a little bit. Like I'm saying though, this truck, the brakes feel like new. Sounds great, sounds very stock, very factory sound to this truck. Corners nicely, good power steering. Stays flat in the corners, especially for a truck. The kick down is working on the automatic transmission. Very nice, quiet ride. Cloth seats. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.